How to delete Spotify account permanently on iPhone. If you already have Spotify installed on your iPhone and want to uninstall the app to free up storage space, you can easily remove it in just a few steps. First, go to your iPhone home screen and find the Spotify app icon. Now, press and hold the Spotify app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on Remove App. A confirmation window will appear with different options. Select Delete App to uninstall Spotify from your iPhone. Tap Delete again to confirm. After deleting the app, Spotify will be removed from your iPhone and the app icon will disappear from your home screen. If you want to install Spotify again in the future, you can download it anytime from the App Store. So that's how you can delete Spotify from your iPhone home screen and uninstall the app completely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.